Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to try out the new highlighters from ESTATE Cosmetics. These are the Spacebound highlighters and I'm so grateful that they sent me all three of their shades. So I did get these in PR. I love to give a disclaimer when a product is sent to me for free, but this is not a sponsored video. But first of all, I love the packaging on these. So you can see how it kind of has little space star designs on it. They retail for $12 each and they are vegan and cruelty-free. And it says this buttery soft cream formula will melt into your skin for a seamless glow that blends like a dream. And then here is what the product itself looks like. I'm going to start out by swatching each of the shades. So this first one here is called Blastoff. Here's what that looks like. Oh my gosh. Seriously, this texture is amazing. So creamy, but lightweight, and oh my gosh, look at that glow. Wow. This next shade is called Lunar. More of like a pink tone to it. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. I love this formula already. And then the third shade that this comes in is called Eclipse. Here's how this one looks. Ooh, more like a bronzy tone. So there's the gold, rosy, and bronze tones. And here you can see what those swatches look like. They are so bright and reflective. I'm going to put all of these on my face in the different places that I like to highlight. So first I'm going to take the pink one called Lunar. And I'm going to apply this to my cheeks, and it says you just blend with your finger, which is fine by me because I love to apply my highlighters with my finger. So let's see. Ooh, it is giving gorgeous glow. Gonna pick up a little bit more. So that right there, just a very light layer, but already so much glow to the skin. I'm gonna go ahead and add even more. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. And the texture is really nice on the skin, but it does leave that visible stripe of shimmer. So it's not a super natural glow to the skin. You can definitely tell that I'm wearing a highlighter, but still, it looks so pretty. Like, look at the difference. My cheek with it versus without it. Cheekbone is lifted. The glow, the youthfulness, the life in my skin from having this highlighter on. Oh, I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to the other side. I feel like these really live up to their name. Like Spacebound, be seen from space with the glow that your skin is giving off. It's so easy to blend and apply with my finger. Seriously, a beautiful formula. I love a creamy, not like a full cream highlighter, but this texture I think is just absolutely perfect for a highlighter. Next, I'm going in with the golden shade called Blastoff, and I'm going to use this for a brow and potentially inner corner highlight to the eyes. Oh my gosh, yes, I thought this would be a perfect brow highlight shade, and it is, and it just blends so nicely right there, but it definitely makes the brow bone pop. perfect shade for this area. And then I think it is light and bright enough for that inner corner. Let's see how this looks. Yes, oh, so pretty. Look at what that did to the eye. I love the brightness that this has. And then the bronze tone called Eclipse is a little bit dark for a skin highlight for me, but I feel like it would look so pretty on the eyes, the eyelids. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend some. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna blend it all over the lid. But seriously, this is a gorgeous shade for the eyelid. Oh, I love that. And I think it's perfect to wear just alone all over the lid like this. Add a little shine. Ooh, love that. But it would also be a great complement to an eyeshadow look, either as a topper or just to do some shimmer areas on the lid. Oh my gosh, but this just quick and easily thrown on all over the lid is such a beautiful eyeshadow look that's subtle but still so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love every single one of these. I am so impressed by this formula. Like my skin right now, it is glistening, gleaming, glowing. I love it. Such a smooth skin-like texture. It's just the shimmeriness of it that makes it look a little unnatural. And I don't know why, more so on this side than this cheek. Maybe I just have more texture on this cheek. But because it is so sparkly shimmery, it does kind of emphasize texture and like pores. If I'm looking up close, I do feel like it does kind of emphasize that. But it's just such a pretty glow that I don't even really mind. It looks so good on camera and from a distance. Like it looks like a really smooth, even shine. But when I get up close, I do think that this does tend to emphasize texture a bit. But on the brow, the inner corner, the eyelid, so perfect. So of course I will have this linked in the description down below with my ESTATE Cosmetics discount code, and I definitely think you should check these out. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.